Hello student, today we are going to look at the simulation of accumulation concept using daily life example tabung simpanan aka piggy bank. Before we start, I would like you to make sure that your understanding on repetition counter control is good enough. So let's look at this diagram. There are three variables in this simulation, which is I to represent day for the counter. We have the second variable, total. And also we have the third variable is RM to represent amount of money to save. Variable total and variable I must be initialized before starting the accumulation. So I will be start with 1 for day 1 and total will start with 0. Why? Because there's no yet saving. So then we look at tabung simpanan. So this is our tabung. So if you see there's nothing inside the tabung, that's why we start with our variable total to 0. Now let's check number of days as the start of the accumulation. As of now, I is 1 and the condition is I less than equal to 5. So I is 1, so we're going to put 1 in our variable I. So we have two container here for I and also container for RM, temporary container. Okay, so let's check I. We have I start with value 1. So check with less and equal to 5. Meaning will give the result true. So if it's true, our next process is to read the input for the saving amount. So the first input for our first day saving, we'll put 5 ringgit. 5 ringgit RM for our first saving. Then we go to our next process. This is the process of accumulation. Calculate total saving. The formula is total plus RM and will be assigned back to total. So our total is still 0. So 0 plus our RM is our saving, 5 ringgit. So our total will be 5 ringgit. So we'll put our money here inside our tabung. Okay, done. So after we accumulate our total, then we go to our next process is to add number of day. Okay, the value of day is 1. We add with plus with 1 for another day, for our second day. So now I'll go to 1 plus 1 is assigned to 2. So this is our second day. Then we repeat again. Check I 2 still less equal to 5 and the result is still true. So we proceed to our next saving. For the next day will be 50 ringgit. 50 ringgit. And then we go to the accumulate to calculate the total saving. So now our total, we have 5 ringgit inside the tabung. And then we plus with our saving RM 50 ringgit. So we put inside the tabung. So our total will be 55 ringgit. So we go to repeat our next step is to add another day. So this is our second day. We add one more day, so it will be 3 days. I is 3, then we check again number of days is still true. 3 less equal to 5 is 3 true, so we make another saving, input another saving. So the third day is 100 ringgit. Okay. And then we repeat the process. Total in our tabung is 55 ringgit, and then we add with 100 ringgit. We put inside the tabung. Then we have our accumulate total is 155 ringgit. We continue again with our next day. We add another day. So this is the third day, and then we add another day to the fourth day, and then we check again our number of days. 4 is still less than 5, and then we continue to make another saving, 10 ringgit saving for the fourth day. Okay, again we do the accumulation process. The total inside the tabung is 155. We plus with 10 ringgit. We put inside the tabung. And our total will be 165 ringgit. And we continue to add another day. We adding 1. So now is the 5th day. And then we check again number of day. 5 is less equal to 5. Equal to 5. So it's true. So we make another saving. For the 5th day is 1 ringgit. And then we again total up. We accumulate. Total inside the tabung is 165 ringgit. Plus with another RM 1 ringgit. We put inside the tabung. So our total will be 166 ringgit. And then we continue to add number of day to 5 to add another day to be the 6th day. Okay, and then we have to check again number of days. 6, is it 6 less equal to 5? So it's not true, it's false. So when it's false, we stop our repetition. So now student, to verify the concept of accumulation, let's find out the current total. Let's open the tabung and count together the how many ringgit is inside the tabung. Is it correct with our accumulation? We have 100 ringgit. We have 50 ringgit. 150. We have 160. We have 165 ringgit and 166 ringgit that is inside our tabung. So is it correct if you're checking with the counter table? So this is the end of our lesson. I hope this simulation will help improve your understanding for the concept of accumulation using tabung simpanan. See you next time. Thank you.